Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing just a quick unboxing. So this purchase was kind of thought out just because, you know, I'm only 19 and I'm trying to start building my own like handbag collection and all of that type of stuff. So I was trying to look for a wallet. So just a little fun fact about me: the designers that I think are just the most classic, like never go out of style, I feel, is Louis Vuitton and Chanel. So of course, if I'm starting my own, you know, woman adulthood type collection, why not start with a classic brand, and then why not do a classic style? That's just how I see it, because as I'm building my collection, you guys will see me build my collection. I just want to start out with classics. Like, I feel like once I get a decent amount of classics, then that's when I'll start getting trendy bags. So that's just how I think of it, because, you know, I'm spending my hard-earned money on this, and I'd rather have the essential bags before buying the stuff that might be in only for a season, or it's only in for that year, or depending on what you're wearing, blah blah blah, you know. So that's just how I see it. So this one, it's not even a big purchase. Like, this isn't a purse or anything. It's definitely a smaller luxury good. It's just a wallet, because you know, I had a card holder and I wanted something where I could put my money in it too, because I be low-key stuffing that card holder, you know. So this is it. Gotta cover out my address, but yeah, this is the box. Oh, and so basically how I went about the process is that I ordered this from Fashionphile. I don't know if you guys know about Fashionphile, but Fashionphile is like similar to the Real, Farfetch, you know, brands like that. They resell current, vintage, you know, luxury items. And so it's a Louis Vuitton wallet, and the reason why I decided to get it off of Fashionphile versus the Louis Vuitton website is because the styles that they had on the website, they were cute, but I just like this style a lot better. So I'm about to just unbox it so I can show you guys. So this is how the box is looking. But yes, this is what comes in it. Has their logo. So let me just open that. Yeah, so this is my receipt, and it just let me know if I need to return it and all that kind of stuff. So and then got a thank you card, and then I guess they put a file. That's cute. So says thank you from the bottom of this box. It's cute little packaging or whatever. Then this sticker says so then it comes with a sticker. It just basically says what it's coming with, and then it said it comes with box and dust bag. So basically, if I'm doing something that's used, or, you know, in the designer world they call it pre-loved, I make sure I filter out my search just so I'm having like new or excellent quality things, because of course, you know, nobody wants something that's not of good quality, because you still gotta pay that coin at the end of the day. So this is the box, you know, your classic Louis Vuitton box. And then so they have the Fashionphile thing, but it has the actual Louis Vuitton dust bag right here. Okay, so then this is it, and I guess it has a little tag. I have to cut it off. Okay, so I'm just looking at it really quickly, and everything seems up to par. So yeah, so I decided to get this because I love, my favorite Louis Vuitton print is the Damier Ebene, period. I don't know, I just love that style. I love that color. I love it all. And then I love how it looks with red. So that's why I decided to get it, because I'm about to get a bag and it's about to be same print, same accent color. So I was like, why not get a wallet that's matchy? And to me, I love this colorway. Like, I think it's the most classic, honestly. So yeah, it looks like it's in pretty good condition. So I'm not mad at it at all. I'm pleased with my purchase. And yeah, so I guess this tag is actually the authenticity certificate, and it just says this item has been inspected by our team of expert authenticators and is backed by our lifetime guarantee of authenticity. Okay, but I feel like, you know, if you can buy something used that's still of great condition, why not? You know, because these labels, they're not doing nothing but steadily increasing their price. So I just feel like, why not? And then especially for little stuff like a wallet, they slowly about to start charging $700 for this little wallet. This ain't even the full envelope wallet, because I didn't want like a full envelope wallet. So I like this because it has enough card slots. This is 6, and then like I said, I wanted to have something for my cash in, and then with the coins. So yeah, I think it's pretty perfect. It's just a good size, because like, let's say I have a smaller bag, this can still fit. If I have a bigger bag, of course. So because that's the only downside with the envelope things, because first of all, I don't think I have enough stuff to fill up the thing, and if I have a smaller bag, it can't fit in here. So, and then the card holder is cute if you just like on the go, and you know how they go. But I guess for a more everyday ideal type of situation, that's why I got this. So yeah, so that's the video. She's cute, just something like, just a cute quick purchase. And yeah, I'm all for saving our money but still getting things that we want. Yeah, because I feel like I'm definitely not the type to knock somebody for buying something pre-loved, used, whatever words you want to use, just because, you know, like I said, get it how you can, you know, because how I feel about it, to each his own with this one. But as long as it ain't fake, I really don't care, because I can't do that one. But yeah, so you guys will definitely be seeing more unboxings from me. So because I'm planning on making some more purchases, because I don't know if you guys know this, but a weakness of mine is purses. Like, I promise you, a good purse, a cute purse, like, I love purses. So you guys will definitely see more of this. And because my 3 weaknesses in life: purses, traveling, and food. So yeah, so y'all gonna see some more stuff. So this is just the beginning, something cute, something starter. And so yeah, so this is it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely be on the lookout for more unboxings from me, and I'll link Fashionphile in the description box, just so you guys can check out the website yourself. Yeah, so I think that's it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, subscribe to your girl, because like I said, more videos are on the way. And let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.